Alright guys, today we'll be opening some MetaZoo Nightfall 6 packs. Before I open those, I want to show you some of the good cards I got. I got one shiny Mothman and two shiny River of Tides. So those are the good ones I've gotten so far. Let's hope I get Old Scratch or something in these. Alright, let's start. Pack number 1, Jack-o'-lantern, spooky. Open. Yay. Air rods. Crazy Critter of Bald Mountain. Mermaid Shimmer. Poltergeist. Feigned Death. Copy Cup. Vampire Mercy Brown. Ooh, not really good though. Shiny Arkansas Snipe.
Arkansas snipe?
Arkansas Snipe.
Oh, she should go on a snipe hunt later.
What? You should put him here.
Oh.
Oklahoma Octopus. Wow, that's a big one.
Oh.
Why did they add dynamite token?
So you can blow things up.
Nighttime. Lightning Aura. I'm surprised they didn't add the 7 thunders in it. If you don't know what that is. Yeah.
Off to pack number 2.
This guy. Spider horse thing.
Spider, horse, bird,
I remember I've
fuzzy,
gotten it before.
chimpanzee.
I remember I've gotten it before. But, yeah, I haven't got a shiny. Absorb Aura. Ooh, there's Veggie Man.
Veggie man. Oh, cool.
That's Absorb Aura. Water to Wine. Iceberg. Excavation. Bloody Bones. Caster Center MD, whatever. Vampire Mercy Brown.
Another one.
Permafrost. Shiny.
Shiny permafrost. Cool.
Yeah, that's a golden rare. Thunderbird.
That's pretty cool.
Dynamite token.
More dynamite.
Leak. And of course, Flame Aura to light the dynamite.
Oh, fantastic.
And then Spooky Wendigo pack.
Off to pack number 3. Old Scratch, here I come.
I hope I get one. Please. Aura Pro-S. Water Baby of
Missoula.
Massacre Rock. I don't know what it's called. I don't have
Water
grammar.
Baby of Massacre Rock.
There's something, whatever.
Smoky Spirits.
Tribal Warcry.
Tribal Warcry. Wow.
A Boogeyman.
Oh, this must be Harrison. Oh, sorry. No, this is the Boogeyman.
Hey, Caster MD.
Again.
Dampen. Shiny Crazy Critter of Old Mountain.
Oh, shiny one. Shiny one. Oh, I like this. See, I like the stars, how they move.
Wait, they do.
And they,
Wait, can I see?
and they get the rainbow colors. They don't move. They just get the rainbow colors. What else do we have here? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and check that out. Old Books Crying Tree.
Nameless token.
A nameless token. Ooh.
And Dusk.
Dusk. It's kind of like night, but dusk. More lightning aura.
That fits Dusk.
3 packs to go!
Lantern. So many spooky duck. Ami Cook.
Cool.
Ludwig.
Oh, it's Ludwig.
Kinderhook Blob.
Kinderhook Blob. He's cute.
Possession. Index. Crystallized Light. Veggie Man.
Oh, the Veggie Man. You better eat your veggies, or the Veggie Man's gonna get ya.
Axe Handle Hound.
Axe Handle
Shiny.
Hound. Oh yeah, look at that. See, his nose is kind of like an axe. Chop, chop, chop. What else you got?
I like it.
What else you got? I see a couple more there.
Obsidian Obelisk.
Obsidian Obelisk.
Why is it there another nameless token?
Another nameless token.
Mountain.
Look at that mountain. It almost looks like the mountain we live on.
Light Aura.
Just a white card. See? Just a white card. No, look. Back it up. There you go. Light aura. 2 packs go. T minus 2 packs.
Spooky Horse. Spider thing.
Spider horse. Spider horse.
Does
Spider horse does.
Spider Horse does.
He can run. He can jump.
Air Rods. Wait, I can already tell where the shiny is.
Okay.
Because the shiny one's already darker than the non-shiny ones.
This guy again.
Side.
Masker Rock Boy,
Masker
baby
Rock
boy.
Iliamna Lake Monster.
Oh, yes. Iliamna Lake Monster. Beautiful.
Halloween
Looks like a shark.
Ghost Sheep.
Oh, yes. This is Harrison on Halloween.
Bloodlust.
Ooh, that's pretty gruesome right there.
Torrential River.
Torrential River. After a torrential downpour.
Unlucky Potion. Ooh, here's a new
Unlucky
one.
potion. This is kind of like the opposite of that potion that Harry Potter drank.
Here's another one. Old Book's Crying Tree.
Old Scratch? What?
No, not Old Scratch. That'd be great. But that's also
Cool.
good. Twin Meteors.
They look like upside down jellyfish.
Ooh, spooky. Oh yeah, they do. Spooky zombie token. Lightning Storm. But why is it sideways?
We've got a sideways lightning storm coming in at you.
And last but not least, Forest Aura.
Forest Aura.
Come
There's
on,
a
please
beanstalk growing.
just give me last pack magic.
Old Scratch. Wendigo. Old Scratch.
Anything.
Mothman.
This Axe Handle Hound.
Again, the Axe Handle Hound, but this one's not shiny.
Water to Wine.
Water to Wine again. I like his Technicolor Dreamcoat.
Static Wand.
Static Electricity.
Oh no. Tribe Trade.
Tribe Terade. Okay.
Bloody Bones.
Bloody Bones, that's a really gruesome one too. Yuck.
Torrential River.
Torrential River.
Veggie Man.
Eat your veggies.
Here's a new one.
Oh,
But not what I was looking for.
okay, what is it?
Wait, no, I've had this before.
What is it?
Tehihan.
Tahihan? His name is Tehihan.
Permafrost.
Permafrost.
Shadow Token.
Shadow Token on Route 66.
Farm.
Farm.
Why aren't there
And Light Aura.
No luck.
He's gonna be crying all day.
Alright. Well, that was the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. And click that notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.